Hello my people, you are welcome to Freestyle News Channel once again, where we bring to you hot and current affairs of the nation as they happen. Watch as Nigerian man facing trial fakes spinal cord injury and the way a hidden camera in his room exposes him. Please do subscribe, comment on the comment section, like, share, and more importantly, set the notification bell for regular updates. Nigerian man facing trial, fake spinal cord injury. Hidden camera in his room exposes him. Interesting. Here is a video showing the moment a secret camera exposed an anti-corruption activist, Mahadi Shehu, who claimed to have spinal cord injury, and how he miraculously got healed after being granted bail for allegedly defaming the character of Katsina State Governor Masari. It was gathered that the man was on trial for corruption charges in court, but he pretended as though he had spinal cord injury. So a secret camera was however planted in his room, which then revealed that he was hale and hearty and was only pretending to be sick. This Mr. Shehu had alleged that Governor Masari took 24 billion naira as security votes from the state's escrow accounts domiciled in UBA and Fidelity Bank between 2015 and 2018. After accusing the governor in an interview with Freedom FM of squandering the money with his commissioners, he placed or caused the same interview to be posted on his Facebook page, Rescue Katsina urgently. Mr. Shehu was then arrested in November 2020 over his allegations and charged to court for defamation of character. To cut the story short, on Thursday last week, March 18, 2021, Mr. Shehu pleaded not guilty to all the charges against him by the Katsina State government. The judge, Ambrose Alagoa, granted the accused a bail of 10 million naira and one surety in Lexam. He also remanded him in the custody of the Nigerian Correctional Service, pending fulfillment of his bail conditions. It was during his stay at the correctional facility that a secret camera revealed that he was hale and hearty. So interesting. Please watch out for the video. Subscribe to our channel. Drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you.
Please, there's a drama playing out. One of these people is pretending to be sick, and I don't know what his name is or who he is. Now watch him now. You can see him is rubbing cream. These are the... Okay, just watch. It's a very funny drama. Nigeria, these are the people killing this country. Watch him now. You can see him rubbing cream. This man wants to go to court, and in the court he will pretend as if he's about to die. Watch him. You see he's standing now. I don't know his name, but he has a court case to answer. Court case for corruption.
He's running from pillar to post. Come and defend yourself. He's running from pillar to
Watch him now. He's charging his phone.
Administration in the state, the governor is Shema is being tried for corruption. This fake whistleblower has not commented about the matter. He is not interested in the matter. He is after no, of course. Where was he at that time? He didn't do any whistle. He's based in Kaduna now. He was close to the government. You know,
all these people, wickedness. God go catch all of now one by one. So now this is the court sitting now.
The government suddenly turned against them, and clearly now
See him.
the enemy
See him.
of that administration.
See him now. See him acting as if he's paralyzed.
The feeling that they have is that, oh, Katsina
See the belt on his waist. Look at him now. Look at him. Kai, God have mercy.
Dr. Mustafa Inoue.
Just look at the same man that was bending and rubbing cream. Now he's pretending as if he doesn't have legs again. Criminals, God will expose all of you.
The abuse of the internet is what we see.
Just watch.
Shot 103 videos attacking people. Meanwhile, you
watch
have
him.
no credibility. From what we have seen now, his credibility has
like this in court now. I won't believe that.
his credibility has been thrown to shreds.
Even if you take a look at it, someone who is really has spinal cord injury will work better than this. Will work better than this. All these are acts.
Drama.
They don't make believe.
Just Kannywood.
Exactly. He will make a great
Say Kannywood.
All those Kannywood stars, they need to headhunt him. Their producers, he will make a very good actor. You know, especially in the comedy. You know, they should get them. Ali Nuhu and other people.
See the collar on his neck.
Kannywood, they need to get this talent so that it can be used.
You can't even suspect.
At this stage, in fact, when I first saw that video, I said, but why should why?
Oh, why this thing trip? Okay.
Somebody who can walk on his own. This person will run faster than.
Can't you see him? He was doing the prayers.
Watch now. After here, now they will go and pray.
Prayers. If you are not fit.
Okay. Now they are coming back from the court now.
He cannot even bend down to pray.
See the way he lifted himself up.
Look at
this stage, he was reducing the theatrics.
Yes.
Little by little, reducing the theatrics little by little. You know,
okay,
because he wasn't sure that people were not.
He didn't know there's a camera in the room.
Still watching. But the moment that door slammed shut,
Bakam.
You know that, okay, all they know now.
He and his accomplices were the people left. At that point, he became his real self. He's an extremely dishonest individual.
Hi.
You can't set stop with whatever documents this kind of person will bring.
Now see him now. He's praying now.
Hey!
Hey! Nigeria! Nigeria! Hey! The man that has spinal cord injury is not bending down to pray. See him. Hey! God. God will catch all of you. God will expose all of you.
No one is saying that.
After thieving, after stealing our money, after stealing all our oil money, you go and keep it in overseas account, and then you now come and start faking that you are sick. God will expose all of us. The wicked will never have peace.